The Bible says his name is as ointment poured forth, therefore the virgins love him. I want you to summon every strength that you can, because we're going to release his name, and in the next few minutes, as the sound of the trumpet rides upon it, there's just going to be a release of his power. Oh my goodness, I sense it coming. Pray in the Spirit. This is a Rhema word. I know you know this song, but we're going to sing it like a weapon right now. Yeshua, 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 Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Chemba, Yeshua, Hamashiach. We release that name of America, Lion of Judah, Hakune Chemba. Say Yeshua, Hamashiach, Lion of Judah, Hakune Chemba. Oh Yeshua, Yeshua, Hamashiach. You are the Lion, Lion of Judah. When you hear the trumpet, I want you to shout Jesus. When I begin to blow the horn, I want you to blow the horn of your voice and shout Jesus. And shout Jesus. He's the sound of revival. Jesus is the sound of revival. He's the sound of revival. He's the sound of revival. There is no other name. Give me a man. rivers of living waters. Out of America shall flow rivers, rivers of living waters. Hey, out of my belly, your belly is there. Can you see it? 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 Look at it everywhere. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Out of your children, out of your children shall flow